guys, so it is day 1 of Vlogmas. I'm so excited. This is my first time doing Vlogmas. And basically, yeah, welcome to my channel. I'm on the floor by my Christmas tree. Yeah, so basically my channel, how I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas is some days it's gonna be specific things geared towards the holidays, and then some days it's just gonna simply be vlogs. So today I'm doing the Holly Jolly Christmas YouTube tag. I have my questions on my phone, so I'm just gonna be answering those for you guys today. Okay, so favorite Christmas movie. My favorite Christmas movie has to be A Year Without a Santa Claus. If you don't know what that is, you should definitely watch it. They have it all the time on like Freeform. Like, yeah, it's a good movie. Number 2, are you on the naughty or the nice list? I mean, I would probably say if like I've probably been on the naughty list recently. I've been a little bit like wilding out a little bit. Show us an embarrassing Christmas photo. I'll insert some pictures once I go to my like the photo albums my mom has, because like I don't have them on my phone like the ones from when I was like a kid. But my thing is, I've always been photogenic, so who was embarrassed? Not me, period. Number 4, have you ever had a white Christmas? Yes, like a couple years ago. Like I don't know the exact year, but yeah, because I'm in New Jersey, so we do get snow usually every winter. What are you doing? My dog is in the kitchen while I'm in the living room. But I have him blocked so he can't come in here. Do you start your Christmas shopping on Black Friday or wait until the last minute? I start my Christmas shopping on Black Friday. Like I even started it before Black Friday. Like literally I ordered everybody's gifts already. Like on Black Friday or before Black Friday. Like everybody, literally I got everybody's gift already. If you could be in any Christmas movie, what would it be? Oh, that's a hard one because it's just like, okay, are we talking about like the new Christmas movies or like the old-fashioned Christmas movies? But those were like all like pretty much animated, so it's like, would my voice just be in it? I would say, I don't know, probably like the Grinch, like the new one, how it's like actual people, not animated. If I could be in one, I would probably be in the Grinch. Name all of Santa's reindeers. Okay. Obviously Rudolph, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen. There was a song, and it was like all the reindeers in it. All right, I said Rudolph, Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Blitzen. How many reindeers are there? I said 7 though. I said 7. Santa's, let me Google it. Santa's reindeer names. How many are there? There was 8, and then Rudolph became 9. So it's Dasher, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, Rudolph. See, I knew them, but like I couldn't name them off the top of my head. But I said Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Rudolph, and I said another one. Period. I knew most of them. When does your family put up your Christmas tree and who decorates it? Who decorates it? So basically, my mom puts up the Christmas tree like the night of Thanksgiving, or like the day after Thanksgiving, like, yeah. And basically, usually, like recently, it's been me and my mom decorating it, but this year my mom did it because I was not in the mood to really decorate. Like I was in a bad mood when she wanted to do it. Is your Christmas tree real or fake? Our Christmas tree is fake. We always get, I think like a while ago, like years ago when I was like a baby, we might have had a real Christmas tree. But I know like those catch fire easily, I think. So we always have like a fake one. Number 10, do you peek at Christmas gifts or rather be surprised? I like being surprised to a certain extent. I remember sometimes I used to peek at gifts when my mom would do like the gift bags. So then she started wrapping all the gifts so we couldn't peek. But now I kind of like being surprised, but nobody really surprises me anymore because everybody always asks me like, oh, what do you want for Christmas, like beforehand? So I'm not really like surprised really anymore. Show us your ugly sweater if you have one. I'll insert a picture of this like ugly sweater I made. It honestly wasn't ugly though. But like I said, it was an ugly sweater. It was a DIY. Basically, like I just put the gift bows on the sweater and that was just that. Like very ghetto. Number 12, if you could be under the mistletoe with anyone, who would it be? Myself. No, just kidding. Like, okay, celebrity-wise, who would it be? Like, let me think, celebrity crush. Like, I mean, my celebrity crushes, like, died this year. Like, no cap. Like, Pop Smoke was my celebrity crush, Vaughn was my celebrity crush, and they died. Like, now the only, like, what are you doing? Now the only celebrity crushes that I have left are, like, 2C, who else? 2C, and there's somebody else. I can't think. Yeah, I don't know. I would have to say, like, 2C. I want to be on a mistletoe with 2C. If, like, I couldn't be under the mistletoe with one of my old crushes, cause R.I.P. man, R.I.P. Pop Smoke, R.I.P. Vaughn. There's 13. Does your family have any special holiday recipes you like to help make? I mean, like, the main thing that we pretty much make every holiday, I can honestly say, like, Easter, Thanksgiving, Christmas, is like homemade mashed potatoes, and usually I make them. Get down! What are you doing? What are you doing? Get down! He's like climbing on top of the chairs. Okay, I'll put you in the vlog later, okay? The video. I said vlog. What was I talking about? Yeah, that or like cookies. Like, we always make cookies every single holiday. I'm gonna be making cookies one day for this Vlogmas though. Period. We gonna be in the kitchen, chefing it up. Alright, are you a pro present rapper or do you fail? Stop that. Before, I could not rap present. Now, I could rap present. And that's on, period. Have you ever been Christmas caroling? No, I have not, because I can't even sing, so what I'm gonna be there for? I'm gonna be like, hallelujah. That's not even a Christmas carol. I'm so dumb. What tops your Christmas tree? Right now, it's a snowflake. It's usually like a star or something. Like in my room, it's a star. But this one is a snowflake. Do you make New Year's resolutions and do you stick to them? I do make New Year's resolutions and sometimes I stick to them, sometimes I don't. I mean, I'm gonna be completely honest. This year, I'm gonna try to stick to them or whatever. What is he doing? I'm looking at my dog on the camera. You have been granted one Christmas wish. What would it be? For this corona pandemic to clear up, like, it has taken way too many people. It has caused a lot of like issues financially for people, mentally, health. Like, it has done numbers. Like, I really would wish that this would clear up, this would go away. If we get this vaccine, it will actually help. Like, yeah, that's what I would wish. What is the best present you ever received? That has to be hard because literally for Christmas, like, I always get what I want. Like, I'm not trying to sound like spoiled or anything like that, but whatever I ask for, like, I always get it. So literally, like, I mean, that's a great present to me. Like, that I'm fortunate, like, enough to like be able to get what I want and stuff like that. And then the next question was like, what is the worst present you ever received? I can honestly say, like, growing up, my grandma would always give us money for Christmas, but she would also give us like bags of stuff too, and it would be the most randomest things in the bags. Like, she would give like socks and like random flip-flops and stuff. Like, if I had to pick, that will be the worst like gift ever. But to me, it's not really bad because I get to use them and stuff like that. Like, but I know like people used to like troll people like, why would you get socks for Christmas? But like, she gave other stuff too, so it's not like I was just getting socks. So like, to me, it's not that bad of a gift. So that was me answering the questions for the Jolly Holly tag. And I'm so excited for Vlogmas, y'all. Subscribe, like this video, comment down below. Comment down below if you have any requests of videos you want me to do for Vlogmas. I definitely have a little list of videos I'm gonna be filming. And in honor of the Christmas spirit, we is gonna dance. Okay? You wanna dance with me, baby? What song should we sing? Present. There's no present.